Everybody, get in the noise. Come on, rockers. Feel the heart. One more time. Feel the heart. Feel the heart. I love this universe. Say everybody.
I love this universe.
Yes, I love everybody. Love yourself.
I love
Hello guys, namaste. Feel the heart. Welcome back once again into Anil's YouTube channel. YouTube video. So a lot of people in the past and still now often ask me, Anil, why do you teach? Why did you decide to teach Hindi on YouTube? So I think this video is going to explain you why. But I'm not going to speak here now. I'm going to take you to a journey. Let's go. And that was my academic video session, right? And it was going on. ये चल रहा था. इसी क्रम में another twist happens in my life. I met one day my sister's friend. My sister है उसकी friend है. Orphan house in Kathmandu. So through that I met her. She was in Delhi, and she was also one volunteer. She was going to the Rajasthan. How many of you have been to Rajasthan? Only you. Seriously? Two people only. Rajasthan और कोई नहीं गया. शर्म क्यों आ रही हाथ उठाने में?
एलए के लिए इंटरेस्टेड है यहाँ पे बच्चे.
क्या?
एलए जाना चाहते हैं.
ले?
नहीं लास वेगास.
वो राजस्थान जाना चाहते हैं. She has namaste nothing. अब मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनको सेफली वहाँ पहुँचाना और उनका जो भी प्रोसेस है वो एग्जीक्यूट करना. सबसे पहले वो तो बहुत डरी हुई. देखते ही लड़के को बहुत डरी. And how I'm gonna do it? I don't know the Hindi. Will I be able to do it? So it hit me, you know. कि lot of volunteers comes and they face a lot of problems. आप मान लो कहीं जाते हो घूमने के लिए. You want to get deeper interaction with the local people, isn't it? Right? तो हमेशा communicate करना चाहते हो. So उस केस में मैंने सोचा ओके मैं कुछ हिंदी बेसिक सिखाता हूँ, उसको सीख लो. और कितने समय है? 2 दिन है. 2 दिन में क्या उसमें हमको घुमाना भी है. And when we come back at the night, we're tired. We can learn, right? So I thought, let me do one thing. Let me make an audio clip and you just keep listening to those audio clips. Wow, what about that? Maybe it will work. And I tested. She was unable to get me. First time English है उसको मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ. राम होता है. राम. Right? मैं कार बोलता हूँ वो कार बोलती है. So it was very difficult. So and I was making videos that time. तो मैं बोला okay, let me do one thing. Let me make some videos. But it's just for you, okay? Because till then I never saw my video. In my videos, never saw my face. Hello, sir. You there? So उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ? मैंने वीडियोस बनाए उनके लिए, और लेकिन मेरे पास इक्विपमेंट नहीं थे. I had only one webcam, so I started with one webcam. Webcam पे मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू किया और उनके मेरे पास सिखा था how to say hello, how to say how are you in Hindi, how to count, you know, basic things, है ना? Where is the washroom? इस तरह के बेसिक थिंग्स हैं. इस तरह के मैंने लगभग 15-20 वीडियोस बनाए और मैंने यूट्यूब पे डाला और उनका लिंक दे दिया. And then it was Diwali time. मैं घर गया, 2-3 महीने बाद आया. I had probably over 200 emails. Everybody is asking now so many questions about Hindi. Like, can you do video on this? Can you do video on this? Can you make more content? What is the difference between this and that? There were so many questions and so many curiosity. Then before that I never studied about this industry. Indian industry कितना बड़ा है, कोई वीडियो बना रहा है नहीं बना रहा. I had no idea. Then I went to the YouTube. Barely 10-15 videos थे. किसी ने कुछ नहीं किया. So there was like nothing around that time. So I thought like no one is doing. I think I should do it. I should help the guys who are coming here. And then in the weekends, just to help those people who want to come India, explore India, visit India, उनके लिए मैंने कुछ videos बनाना शुरू किया weekends में, right? And weekends में करते by the end of the, let's say like 2013 के half में, it exploded. बहुत सारे views आने लगे. अचानक like you know 1000-2000 views आते थे, 5000, 6000, 7000 इस तरह से per day views आने लगे. And जब views आती है तो obviously engagement बढ़ती है, लोगों की comments आती है, messages आती है, emails आती है, Facebook पे messages आती है, and you need to सबके साथ गुरु होना पड़ता है, right? So engagement काफी बढ़ गई. It means it gave me a new industry to work on. And then I started working professionally, right? And now when you work professionally, a lot of things comes with it. Definitely like everybody is thinking about the money आता है नहीं आता है. Everything comes, right? But you try to solve a problem first, or you try to do something that you like. हो सकता है आप you're good in art, हो सकता है you're good in like just in video editing. You can teach other people how to edit the videos. You might have any skill. You just have to know about your thing. I'm not saying like you have to also solve the problem just like I did it, right? It's just one idea. I tried to solve a problem that I faced with my friends. It's just a point of ignition. But you might have a lot of things what you're facing now, right? आज आपके पास क्या समस्या है? Very very important बात है. खाने के बारे में, right? So खाने के lot of content. So it was a kind of like telling me that it's getting commercialized and other people are also working in this industry. But in Hindi कोई नहीं कर रहा है. इस पे तो अब करने वाले बहुत हैं. Like मैं नहीं करूँगा कोई और करेगा, किसी न किसी को मिल जाएगा.
But the target audience is like more.
My main motto was not that time also like just to make money. Main motto shifted that time. By the time you go through these all process, it also depends on the personality. I want you to do something new that I will love and to solve the things. Anyways, so then I focused on Hindi. Hindi, thank you. At the same time, जब आप हिंदी सिखाते हो ना, तो साथ के साथ और भी चीजें करना पड़ता है. Why people are learning Hindi? Why like someone foreigner, कोई foreigner ब्राजील में रह के
Yeah.
सर्च करता है हिंदी लेक्शंस यूट्यूब पे. Why he or she is searching हिंदी लेक्शंस? क्यों?
They don't know what the culture, they want to know what people.
They want to know about the culture. Very good answer. Next,
They don't know what the people, they want to know what the religion. If they know the language, they
people,
can come and practice.
religion, what else? आप लोग
Tradition.
भी हैं मेरे ख्याल से इस क्लास में, है ना?
Tradition.
Tradition और relationships for sure. वो actually this is the second number. इसके बाद any more things? पता Bollywood कितना कंज्यूम होता है outside of India? Do you know that?
Yeah.
Hell no, lot. Bollywood. So there are so many other reasons, right? लोग हिंदी सीखना चाहते हैं, मूवीज अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, कल्चर एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, फूड एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, लोगों से रूबरू होने के लिए, लाइक रिलेशनशिप, डेटिंग्स, अभी जो ऑनलाइन सेशन चल रही है. सो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ करती है. इफ माय गर्लफ्रेंड इज पोर्चुगीज फ्रॉम ब्राजील, टू पोर्टुगीज, यू नो, यूरोपियन पोर्टुगीज एंड ब्राजीलियन पोर्टुगीज, व्हाई वुडंट आई लर्न पोर्टुगीज for her? I will learn. Sir, if you have an Indian girlfriend, won't you learn Hindi? You will, right? And you go to YouTube, right? And you'll watch me, don't you?
No, yeah, you got me.
Right? So
I'll take it.
that means like my audience is not only for the language, my audience is also for culture, right? For the people, for the psychology of the people, for the songs, for many things. So now, along with the Hindi language videos, I have to also give these feeds to my audience. This is my family. Now, how big I want to make it, it's up to me. So they often will ask you, can you show us the colleges in India? So I used to film it, can you show like the streets of India? I used to do, what they used to tell me I used to do. And who are they? They are my family. तो आपको ना एक दोस्ती यारी निभाना होता है, कुछ नहीं करना होता है. अभी 2-4 दिन पहले सुपरवुमन, who knows सुपरवुमन?
सुपरवुमन.
सुपरवुमन इंडिया की like Indian breed की. From like her ancestor were Indian. वो बहुत बड़ी YouTube star है. She's very big YouTube star. Straight. I don't want to tell. Just say she's very big now, right? And she's making millions. अभी वो बोल रहे 5 things I do while peeing. She's making video what? 5 things I do while peeing. And views millions. How did she achieve? If a new person does, if you do 5 things I do while peeing, no one is going to watch it, right? सारे आपके दोस्त देखेंगे. That's views, 100 views, right? So she had created that platform. In a period of time, I told you, like a family. She has her own audience.
Fan base.
Right? 7-8 million have unki subscribers. She's like everywhere. It's just an example. So she has created something. Same small means Hindi में हम create कर रहे हैं, right? That's what we did. And let's go further. After that, see what other things happens once you start the YouTube life. Next thing, I met my first student in real life. He was in Calcutta because her wife is from Calcutta. I thought उसकी बीवी की फोटो लगा लेकिन नहीं है. किसी ने मांग ली थी. So इनकी बीवी जो है Calcutta की है, पंजाबी है, right? And his all business was in Calcutta. But he flew just for 2 hours to meet me, to Delhi. Right? So see, it's a relationship. You start building the relationship. I'm Millet, right? And after a few years, again, he's someone way, like just few days before, 2 weeks before, I met him again. So what I'm building now?
How's his Hindi now?
Sorry?
How's he in the now?
He's awesome. So बंदा कब से सीख रहा है, अभी भी सीख रहा है, and it's everything, you know, everything that you learn is improvising. You have to keep learning. Anything, education is a lifetime learning. So I started there, and still I'm here, and this goes on. From Switzerland, he's one of the finest guy. He's a very, he's a professor of eating and protocols. He's my friend from Congo, very close to you. Spain is my friend from Spain, right? Next from Singapore, the Thai. People keep interacting. US guys, I was traveling in Kathmandu and then I made like there were my already few friends there, right? Different now, like almost all parts of the world I made. There are a lot of more than this, much more. We're playing Holi with some Russian, Colombia, and it keeps going. See, he's a Yogini. It's a Rishikesh, I guess you know this place. Right? Anyways, so you meet a lot of people from different parts of the world. And you share your love, you share your culture, you share your language. It's a global family, you create a family. So these things is also the reward of your YouTube. It is also one kind of revenue. So don't just think or focus on making money. Yes, please. So it's not only about the money, right? Money will come, money will definitely come. But along with money, a lot of other things will come, which are very important aspect of life.
When?
What do you mean when?
Kab aayega?
When we start, right? So it's like, and the most beautiful thing for me, she's 77 years old,
Yeah.
from US,
Great.
and she was watching my videos. It was very touching for me. A 77 years old granny watching my videos and telling me, Anil, you're doing very beautiful thing, and she's telling her story related to India now. वो अपनी इंडिया की स्टोरी बताती है कि किस तरह, and she is Sikh. She was white initially, उन्होंने अपना religion बदला, and she adopted Sikh as a religion. And she have never been to India, but she has a wish to come India. She is still alive. She may come. I don't know about that. But see, this is how people you met, right? Now, sometimes you also get chance to work with the celebrities, right? You know Gypsy Holly. So she's a Russian actress and TV host based in Dubai, and she's much more than that. She's Sarah Binias. She's Miss Universe Canada. You know what happened?
Yeah, Nepal.
Nepal,
Earthquake.
the major earthquake.
In the world.
Now see what we did that time. So what I did is, they were my family. I already told you. They are not subscribers, they are not fans, they are my family. They are my brothers, they are my sisters, my mother and my grandma. I told them, this is what happened in my house, in my country. Right? 9,000 people died. Right? Over 500,000, 5 lakh se zyada ghar completely destroyed हुए हैं. And so many tragedy you know already. So I placed there कि देखिए ऐसा हुआ है, and you already know. I'm trying to raise some fund, और जब पैसे आएंगे उससे हम नेपाल में कुछ करेंगे. I started raising fund. और एक छोटी सी YouTube चैनल है. Can you imagine how much money we raised? सारे रिच नहीं होते. जो स्पेशली हिंदी पढ़ते हैं वो ज़्यादा रिच नहीं होते. We raised around 4 lakhs. 4 लाख के आसपास हमने रेज किया over the whole period of time. टोटल में बता रहा हूँ. That 4 lakhs, how we used it? We started volunteering. मैं गया, मेरे स्कूल के कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे, and I again raised some of the friends. जो ऑनलाइन फ्रेंड्स थे वो भी आए नेपाल हेल्प करने के लिए. So we created a team. हमने टीम किया और हमने 8 कैंपेन्स किया टोटल. 2 महीने के आसपास लगभग हमने वॉलंटियर किया डिफरेंट, क्योंकि एम्बुलेंस आते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, वो हुआ. थर्ड फेज में then we started distributing educational things to the kids. So these are the different photographs you can see. Like this, we did 8 campaigns. We also built houses, and these are actually new thing. I think you guys know or not. These are earth-proof houses, earthquake-proof houses. That time 500 से भी ज़्यादा बच्चों को हमने 3 महीने के लिए एजुकेशन चीज़ें दिया था, like pencils, books, sharpeners, and those all things. So that was all because of the YouTube. All because of the YouTube. मैं अकेला कुछ नहीं कर पाया. So this all thing happened because of the YouTube. So see, I'm telling you again, it's not only about the money, what YouTube is. It's beyond everything. Let's come to the now business. Now अपने कान को पूरे ना चौकन्ने रखना. Think about a person. एक आम आदमी पार्टी का नहीं, एक आम आदमी. एक आम आदमी को जिंदगी में क्या चाहिए?
रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
Roti, kapda, makan, right? And those all things you can buy through. All right, so you know, like this is what a person needs. Basically, थोड़ा यार बंदे अपने मोहल्ले में जाए तो सब बोले कि हाँ भाई ये जा रहे हैं ये जा रहे हैं ये जा रहे हैं ना, थोड़ा नेम चाहिए है ना। बड़ा शाहरुख खान नहीं बनना है लेकिन अपने मोहल्ले का शाहरुख खान जरूर बनना है ना। या करीना कपूर, which one is your favorite? अपनी मोहल्ले में at least famous, everybody wants to have little bit fame, right?
Yes.
And what else? And very important thing, time freedom. Now you guys will go after some time into the corporate world, you guys will start working, and you know how your life will be there. इंडिया में वैसे भी 6 days वर्किंग सिस्टम है। 6 दिन जब आप काम करोगे ना, 9 घंटे लगातार कंप्यूटर के सामने, और 9 घंटे में निपटती नहीं है वैसे। You guys will be so tired. संडे सिर्फ आप लोग सोओगे और कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे। That's the fact. I'm sorry to say, but that's the fact.
Yeah, that's true.
इतनी बिजी हो जाओगे आप, and आपके दोस्त आएंगे, your friends will come and you won't be able to meet. Your mom will be sick, you won't be able to go hospital. Your brother's wedding will be there, but you won't be able to spend more than 2 or 3 days. That's the corporate world. Welcome to the corporate world. Right? So what we need, we always desire to have a lot of time so that we can travel, we can do. सबके सपने होते हैं, वो सारे सपने पूरे करने के लिए आपको टाइम चाहिए। पैसे बहुत होंगे आपके पास by that time. जब स्टूडेंट होते पैसे नहीं होंगे, टाइम बहुत होता है। लेकिन जब कॉलेज प्रोफेशन में जाओगे टाइम नहीं होंगे लेकिन पैसे होंगे, एनर्जी भी होंगे लेकिन उस एनर्जी को भी यूज नहीं कर पाओगे। बट यू नीड टाइम फॉर दैट। टाइम कहाँ से है? नहीं। Right? So we need time freedom. Everybody wants to have some time freedom so that they can play with the family. अपने बच्चे के साथ, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ, अपनी बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ, right? अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, कभी ट्रैवल ही करना है सोलो. So you need time too. Anybody working here? कोई जॉब कर रहा है? बहुत सारे. सर आप कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं सर?
मैं ट्रैवल कंपनी में रहा था।
अच्छा सर. तो अगर आप सपोज मुझे माफ करना सर प्लीज, सपोज बीमार हो गया, आपको 2-3 महीने ना ऑफिस नहीं जा सकते, व्हाट विल हैपन? क्या होगा? 3 महीने 4 महीने ऑफिस नहीं गए, क्या होगा सर?
नई जॉब ढूंढनी पड़ेगी। 2 महीने तो रोक नहीं पाएंगे
और मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है। और 4 महीने के दौरान क्या मिलेगा?
सिर्फ टेंशन,
सॉरी
ओनली टेंशन।
टेंशन। मैं पैसे की बात कर रहा हूँ, पैसे मिलेंगे?
nothing at all.
You get anything?
No,
Nothing. You don't get paid at all.
not all.
So what is the financial security?
Zero.
मैं तो बीमार की बात कर रहा हूँ। लाइफ में बहुत सारे ट्रेजेडीज होते हैं।
सरकारी नौकरी।
उसके भी एक सिचुएशन है, उसके भी बहुत सारे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस हैं। So you need to think about your life that you should also have some financial security, not only your life. What if you are married and you have a kids?
Yes.
And in that case you cannot work. Think about that time. क्या करोगे उस टाइम पे? इंश्योरेंस क्या करेगी?
बीवी कमाने वाली होनी चाहिए.
Right? Think about that time. I'm not trying to sell you something here.
You're trying to prove something, right?
मैं आपसे 1 रुपया नहीं लूँगा। मैं कोई प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करने के लिए बोलूँगा।
No, you're trying to prove these things. You want to leave one job.
You want love, you want happiness, you want good friends, and many more other things, right? And all I wanted to say that I achieved everything through the YouTube.
It's like that. If you have a hobby and it's like it pays, it's good for you, right?
All I
Same
want
hobby,
to say
right?
is like this is one thing that let me go back. One thing that I wanted to have in my life,
That's okay.
and I achieved. And like me, there are a lot of people in this world who wants to have sort of these kinds of things in their life. They can also choose as an option. Remember this, it's an option. These things.
Yes.
Since you guys into the digital marketing, so I wanted you to know that this digital marketing, this is also the part of it, and this is giving this thing, right? I didn't knew like you guys are actually digital. I more thought like you guys are like into editing part and more already doing some projects related to this. I didn't know that completely you're new for this. Anyways, so this is one method. I want you individually to become an entrepreneur, not only just work.